In the real world, programs don't always run perfectly. Unexpected errors, called exceptions, can occur. Python exception handling provides a robust way to deal with these errors gracefully, preventing your program from crashing and making it fault-tolerant. The try, except, else, and finally blocks are used for exception handling. Code that might raise an exception goes into the try block. If an exception occurs, the corresponding except block is executed. You can have multiple except blocks for different error types. The else block executes only if no exception occurred in the try block. The finally block always executes whether an exception occurred or not, often used for cleanup operations. Python has a rich hierarchy of built-in exception classes. We've already seen zero-division error and value error. Understanding these helps you write more specific and effective exception handlers. You can also create your own custom exceptions by defining a new class that inherits from Python's built-in exception class or any of its subclasses. This allows you to create more meaningful and specific error messages for your applications. Test your knowledge of Python's exception handling mechanisms. Pause the video and try to answer. Solutions are next.